OMG, it's Christmas! Oh boy! I can't wait! Hey, my hat. Come on now. Stupid hat. Stand up like you're awesome. Sweet. Happy holidays, everyone. Finally, we have gotten to the best time of the year. Christmas time! I wonder what I got. I wonder what is in here for me.
Put it down or burn in hell.
May your days be bright and your nights filled with awesome. A lot has happened this last year. I had the best year ever. I pointed and laughed at so many YouTube D-bags. My heart was filled with joy. I've been so busy today. I made Christmas cookies. Holy fucking shit. Check out my Christmas cookies. If you don't think they're awesome, then you're just a twat waffle. That's right, I fucking said it. You're a twat waffle. You're a twat waffle. You're a twat waffle. Twat waffle. Oh, hello. What are you looking at, slut bucket? Huh? Anyway, happy holidays, everyone. It's the most wonderful time of the year. Here, let me soothe away any troubles you might have this Christmas with a gift from my lungs. I'm dreaming of a white Christmas, just like the ones I used to know, where the treetops glisten and children listen to hear sleigh bells in the snow. Thank you, thank you. Oh, let's do another classic. Silver bells, silver bells, it's Christmas time in the city. Hear them ring, ring-a-ling, soon it will be Christmas Day. Once again, Merry Christmas, everyone.
And a Happy New Year.
When the hell did you start talking?
I've always talked. You just never listened.
In the city. Hear them ring.
Oh, go split your wrist.
Soon
Merry Christmas, everyone.
Christmas Day. City sidewalks, busy sidewalks, dressed in holiday style.